How to get Discord on PS5. Hey guys, in this video, we're going to learn how to get Discord on PS5. First, open Discord on your phone or PC, go to User Settings, then Connections, and link your PlayStation Network, PSN account. On your PS5, make sure your system software is fully updated to access Discord voice integration features. Next, press the PS button, go to Game Base, and select the new Discord tab that appears after linking. From the Discord tab, choose a voice channel or direct chat, then tap Join on PlayStation to start using Discord. Once connected, control your mic, mute, volume, and other audio settings via the Discord voice chat card on your PS5. You can also transfer ongoing calls from your mobile or desktop by tapping Join on PlayStation and selecting your console. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.